Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and of course welcome to the first video of our brand new playlist. I'm Aizada and I'm really happy you're here, and now today we are taking our first step into the Salesforce world together. Just a little bit about me before we start. And now I completed my Salesforce admin training through the GetForce bootcamp. And now I work as a Salesforce administrator mentor. I also teach a Salesforce admin course on Udemy in Turkish. So if you ever want to learn in Turkish, you are more than welcome to join me there. In this playlist, I want to guide you through the Salesforce admin journey in a really friendly and relaxed way. No stress, no difficult language. We will just talk, learn, and explore things step by step. We will look at what Salesforce admin does, the tools you will use, and how you can grow in this field. So on later on, after they finish the admin topics, I'm also planning to create the Salesforce developer playlist, so there is a lot of exciting stuff ahead. For now, that's it from me. I will see you in the next video. There we will start exploring the Salesforce admin world together. Thank you for being here and see you soon.